Well, good morning, Bryce. Welcome back to the channel, and we've got a new project we're starting. I've picked something up for a winter project, and I'm going to show you. We'll be doing weekly updates on what we're doing with this. So let's have a look at it. I'm at my garage, and here it is. It's a piece of shit, to be honest, but it is a new trike project. So we'll have a quick look. Excuse the mess of my garage. So we'll start from the front then. This has been sitting out in somebody's garden for 7 years, and we're going to rescue it. So we'll have a look at the front first. Now the front is of a Triumph, which I've just found out because we found the badge on it. But as you can see, the discs are rusty, the forks are beyond repair, the lights are okay, they'll need polishing up, and there's pretty much rust everywhere, so I think that's going to be a whole new front end. I'd like to put some girder forks on it, but we'll see how funds progress with that. Half the cables are broken and missing. Let's see, the clocks need replacing. I'm pretty sure they are not going to work. Handlebars are custom made. Both of these cylinders are seized because they've been put on at 90 degrees and they're pretty much seized, so they'll need replacing. I'm pretty sure the electrics in it are going to be shot. That seat is going to have to go for starters. That's way too high up. Back seat, the wood's all rotted. The seat all needs recovering. The body is okay, except for this back box here. Now when I had a look at the picture, it had this helmet on top. I thought, that's alright, someone just left the helmet on, but that's actually attached because the bloke who built it, he put that back box on because he had a little dog, and he used to put his dog inside the trunk, and the dog's head used to stick out the helmet there. Let's just have a quick check, make sure the dog's not in there. Oh, who's that? There we go. That's where the dog's head used to go, up through there. Engine at the back, bad fuel in it, so that's going to be a complete strip down. And exhausts are rusty to hell. I may replace them, or I may clean them up. Now the good parts is the wheels and the tyres are pretty much brand new. It's got this spider web welding all over it, which I like. And the frame itself, the base of it, the chassis is absolutely solid. So that's really well made. Now, part of the reason I got hold of this as well is this has been MSVA tested. It was registered in 2016. I've got all the MSVA paperwork with it. And so that's the reason why I got hold of it. So we're going to start this project next week, and we'll do a weekly update video. And the first thing I've got to do is obviously get access to the engine. Now the guy who built this didn't build this body to be removed. It's held on by so many coach bolts, which is so silly in so many ways. If you look behind this plate down here, the fuse box is under there. This part is the fuel tank, which is all going to need emptying, but that is the fuse box just there underneath the tank. So if you ever lose a fuse, you can't get to it. And also the carbs at the back, they're up there under the frame, and this doesn't remove. Well, it does, so I'm going to be stripping all that down. First job I'm going to be doing is cutting this box out. This box goes about the same depth down as well, but it is absolutely rusted. So that's going to have to go, and then we'll see where we go from there. So that's all for this first video. Do subscribe to the channel if you want to follow this rescue along. It is going to, I'm calling it a rescue, not a build, although it's probably going to be a build. And yeah, please like the video, subscribe and everything, and we'll see you on the next one next week. We'll be uploading a new video every Sunday on this project, so subscribe and we'll see you next Sunday. Bye for now.